Hi guys, hope you are doing well and welcome back with another video. So today I will give you a brief details about the Medad ERP software. Medad ERP software is an accounting software which is frequently used in Middle East countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, Qatar and Oman. So I will give you us brief details and brief information about the Medad software, that how can we use Medad for our bookkeeping, for our financial statements. So first of all, we need to log in our Medad software. You have to enter your username, then you have to enter your password number, then you have to enter your subscription number, then you need to select branch, on which branch you are going to log in. So for example, I want to log in branch number 1. Then there is option of years, on which financial years you want to log in. If you want to log in the current financial year, then you have not choose uh, any year on this tab, and then you have to click on this option. After that, our as you can see, our Medad software is login, and you can see different options on the left side. Like if you want to create a sale invoice for your customer, then you can choose this option. If you want to create a purchase invoice for your supplier, then you can choose and select this option. If you want to enter any journal entry for your company, then you can choose this option. Like if you want to enter any expenses, then you can choose this general voucher. And if you receive any amount from your customer, then you can choose this option. If you paid your supplier any amount then and want to record in Medad, then you can choose this option. And then we have account reports, in which you can get any type of reports. Like if I will click on account reports, all list of reports will be open. And if I will scroll down, here you can see trial balance. If you want to get report of trial balance, then you can select on this. If you want to check your profit and loss statement, then you can choose income list. And if you want to check your financial position of your company, then you can choose balance sheet. There are also other options which according to your needs, then which you want to get report, you can choose accordingly. So now, first of all, today I we will learn that how can we create a sale invoice for our customer from in our Medad account. So first of all, we have to choose this option. After click on this option, a window will be open, and you have to enter all the invoice information in this window. Like if you are going to create a sale invoice against any quotation, then you can put quotation number on this tab. Then we have to enter your customer against which we are going to create a sale invoice. Like if I will open a customer list and search our total customers, all our customer list will be open. And for example, we are going to create a sale invoice for our Amazon customer, then we will choose Amazon. Then there is different payment option. Like if you want to create a sale invoice for cash, then you can choose a cash. If you want to create a invoice for credit, then you can choose credit option. And if your customer will pay by his bank account, then you can choose bank account. And if your customer will pay by using POS, then you can choose POS. You can add other option in this list according to your requirement. In this example, we are going to choose credit, that our customer will pay the amount after some period of time. It's all according to your agreement, that if our agreement is between our company and Amazon, is that Amazon will pay after 30 days after the issuing an invoice. Then uh, Amazon has the responsibility that it will be pay this invoice amount after 30 days. Then you can choose different warehouses, like if which a product we are going to sell is available in warehouse 3, then I will select warehouse 3. Then we have to choose the salesman. Here you can see our different salesmen's name, that which salesman is going to sell our product. For example, Muhammad is going to sell this product to Amazon. Then we have to choose the date, on which date we want to create a invoice. In this example, let's see, we are going to create a sale invoice for today. So we will not change the invoice date. Then we need to select the item. If you click double on this item list, and then you can select on search, you will see all list of our products. You can choose any product from this list. Like if we are going to sell EcoCheck instant box, then I will click on in this product, and then I will press enter. Here you can see the accounting product code number, and then we have the product name. Then you can choose this color, which color you are going to sell. For example, we are going to sell this color. Then you have to enter the quantity, how much quantity you will need to sell. For example, we are going to sell 10 quantities of EcoCheck instant box to our customer. Then we will need to choose the price. Here by default it is showing the 85 price, which we will select, and which we was fixed before. So you can change price from this tab. For example, we are going to sell a unit for 100, then I will choose 100 for this tab, and then I will press enter. On this product there is no VAT, so it is showing 0 VAT percentage. But if we has any product which has VAT, then it will showing, yeah, VAT percentage. So this product has no any VAT, so it is showing 0 VAT. Now we has select this EcoCheck, which accounting code is 11022, and its product name is EcoCheck, and its color is ABS, which is white, and quantity is 10, and price unit price is 100, so it will become 100. Then I will save this invoice. As you can see, it is showing error that quantity available in the warehouse number 3, the available quantity is insufficient. If your warehouse has no any inventory of this product, then it will showing this error. And if you want to remove this error and save the invoice, then you can choose don't update inventory. I will check on, now it will be saved this invoice. Here you can see now it saved this invoice. And if you want to see the journal entry, that what entry is passed by Medad, then you can go on the right side above top and click double on entry number. As you can see, it passes a journal entry. It debited Amazon seller account. As you know, if we will sell on credit, then it will become our account receivable, and account receivable is our asset. When our asset is increases, it we treat it as debited. So it debit 1000, then it's sales, as you know, is our income revenue, and our income when increases it become credited, then it showing the credited. So here in this window you can see the journal entry, and this is all the process that how can you create a sale invoice for your customer. Hope this video will helpful for your accounting bookkeeping.